Alright, YouTube, jumping right back into it. It is new tire day for me. Stinger came with PS4s, and I decided to try something different. Not just because I didn't like the PS4s, but just mainly due to cost, and I don't want to spend all my money on tires, only for them to wear out in another 15 to 17,000 miles. That's been a norm with this car, with an all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. Some of the more conservative people have gotten up to 20K, but nobody has reached the 30K. Nobody has reached the 30K that Michelin said they were rated at. So I'm going with something that's a little higher. From a 320 tread wear to a 360 tread wear, and the tires I chose was a General Gmax RS and the factory sizes. Alright, just to show y'all where my tires are currently at. It's not my daily, but they're less than 1/32. There's one rear. That's the other rear, pretty much bald. The fronts are pretty much the same. Also, another thing I didn't like about it was the edges seemed to wear a whole lot. Yes, I autocrossed and did some spirited runs, but it seemed like the edges just wore a hell of a lot faster. The tire was never underinflated. Also, my passenger front shows some signs of chunking. You can see right there where it's just big. And not all of them are big like that. Trying to find, yeah, right there where it just started to chunk. The tire still did fine, but that doesn't give me a lot of confidence. I'm not the only one who drives it. My wife occasionally drives the car, and if she takes it on a road trip, I want to know that the tires are going to be good, and I won't have to worry about anything. But I'm off to Kaufman Tire, well, Mavis Tire now, to head and go get it. Go get the new tires.
Yeah. Magic. Yeah, mental stimulation. Being attracted by intelligent conversation, exploring the person mindset and thinking more than relations, anticipated and anxious, all in one combination. See, it's more than about the visual, sexual and the physical. Feelings you feel about them is cause they're an intellectual. Feeling you've been on this person for facts to let you know. Can't pass this up, you'll be a fool if you let them go without getting the number or something. Cause this the type of person you'll see in your slumber or something. Level headed with some goals and they want more than something. Yeah, the type of person you can take on the mama. That's why I just want to be a Charles Xavier and touching mine. You're super fine. That's why they run up spin faster than Busta Rhymes. They lust for your body, but me, I just lust for your time. Let's put this mental scope to your head and let me blow your mind. Yeah. Mental stimulation. Yeah. And they got you like. Yeah. Now that I got her drifting off infatuation, facing all her temptations, feeling so released, she met a guy who wasn't basic. Drifting off in conversation, that shit so amazing. Taking mental notes and I got her laughing at all my jokes. Stuck away from dating a while, but now I give her hope. So searching, told me her past and how they left her hurting. Stuck with burdens, she thought that love was uncertain, but I opened her up by touching on different topics. Would also open the options about her weighing her options. She say she wanna love, no inspiration day. Say she's been around but came back richer like collection plates. The past is the past, so there's no need to investigate. You going with the pros, so all the cons you eliminate. Let me arrive, just spark up nostalgia. Got me running your mind, you got me running
morning, my pops told me God's calling him home. He told me take care of my moms, don't leave her alone. I'd be a damn lie if I say I didn't cry. Never would've guessed he may not get to see my first child. Sad actuality, this is my reality, but I'ma be the man of the house if I have to be. Yeah, now don't that sound real familiar? I dedicate a lot of lines to my life familiar. Niggas on the outside asking them I'm real enough, but my real homies already know really what's up. No GPS needed, cause I'm easy to find. Ad boy bound on my off day, easing my mind. And if it's Wednesday, I'm headed to the barbershop, turning heads and clean cut, two of the best spots. But back in elementary, it was Denmark and Unionville before they built the Flash Foods and Mark. I guess it's obvious I'm mag time from top to bottom. In the studio with Hitman, if we in the bottom. Cameras on the front post, K9 by the back door, we lay low. Why else would we paint the Chevy black for? But I was told a long time ago, there are no stupid questions. And if you live to tell about it, it's a life lesson. Instead of counting these bills, I should be counting blessings. Been chasing the meal since I'm here adolescence. And lately I've been wondering if I'm over the hill, and if I still do it for the love or for the thrill. I do it for the working class, throwing pork on the grill. And even if the money don't last, even though every day ain't sunny, I wake up every day and get straight to the money. And despite those gray skies, I realize everything is still alright. And despite those gray skies, I realize everything is still alright. So here I go, my mind state is all or nothing. 8 niggas shot over the weekend for nothing. And it must be a reason that they all live, cause ain't no telling when your time's up, a quarter till. But they still here. Most importantly, a pack of noodles short from the government supporting me. But I guess it's for the best, at least I hope so. 3.0 GPA and yet I get no hope, because they basing my income on last year. Cause my taxes didn't indicate a bad year. Damn, now look at what we have here. Indians get sickos, black people's the piss pole. Making a living, taking what's given, working with Crisco. Capital limited, so we reinvented the hustle. Short days, long nights, take a deep breath, everything is alright. Every day ain't sunny, I wake up every day and get straight to the money. And despite those gray skies, I realize everything is still alright. And despite those gray skies, I realize everything is still alright. Everything's gonna be alright, 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 alright. Everything is still alright, alright, yeah. Yeah, life is funny. I'm finding out that it's an everlasting journey. I wrap it up cause ain't no telling if these hoes will burn me. I ain't gotta ask twice. I'll hit that ass twice in my insecurities on a first class flight. Now I got my feet planted firmly on the ground. I'm in the field every day, nigga, no plow. If you bringing no bread to the table, you don't eat. They say money don't grow on trees, yet I'm sowing seeds. Either get busy living or get busy dying. You either live it to the fullest or you quit trying. Finger on the trigger, steady contemplating pulling it. Sick of fucking no good bitches, but still doing it. And that's the theory of man, we contradictory. Simple supply and demand, kill a man for victory. You know I'm random with it, sounding like I'm writing 2 songs, cause I never heard them.
Alright guys, my first impression with the tires mounted, I like the look of them. They seem to be slightly taller than the Michelins, but more rounded versus the square look. I definitely like the way the front looks now, because I hated the way the Michelin looked so thin on the front. But this one looks like it has more meat on it, still gives the same appearance. So the next thing is to drive it and see how it does. First test would be lunch mode. Even though it's cold outside, I'm still gonna launch it to see if they hook. Alright guys, just to round out the video with my new tire installed, I can't really test them out or anything because it's just too cold outside for a summer tire, especially a UHP ultra high performance. It's just too cold. Yeah, I got on just a tad leaving out of the tire place, and it started to get sideways and squiggle a little bit. I don't know the tire, so I'm not gonna push it until I got an idea of what they can do. Plus, it's still cold outside. It's nowhere in the temp range for it. So, with that said, I'm gonna round the video out. I like the way they look. I'm gonna trust all the professional input that I read from the Hot Rod article, which I'll post in the description about the tires. And other than that, that's all I got, man. Until it gets warm or I get a warm day to actually test them out and try lunch mode with them and see if they stick anywhere as good as the PS4. Also with the tires, the road noise seem to be the same. No increased road noise or anything when I hit bumps so far while riding around. Been about an hour or so, well, about 2 hours, but I haven't been driving the whole time. Tires feel just like the PS4s so far, sound wise and everything, and daily driving, but I know more again once I get a chance to push them. Alright guys, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later.